All right, Stingrays, you know what time it is. It's learning time. So, lesson today is all about similar figures. So that literally means that these two shapes here are similar. They're the same shape. They're the same shape, but one is bigger than the other. So there's one part where it's going to ask you comparing. So let's go over the comparing part. So this is triangle A, B, C. You should always try to go in alphabetical order. A, B, C. Now there are sides to these corners. This is corner A, corner B, corner C. Or angle A, angle B, angle C. So this is side AB. This is side BC. This is side AC. So each of those sides is going to correspond with a side over here. So, sorry, I thought it was one of you guys. So then this triangle, I said, is the same as this triangle. So we have LMN. Once again, go alphabetically. LMN. So, once again, these have sides. This is side LM. This is side MN. Now we're going to say this should be NM, but you should make it go alphabetically. MN. And this is side LN. So like I said, they correspond. So, let's see if I can do this. Maybe I'll turn it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, you're going to be asked on the worksheet what sides correspond with what. So side AB is equal to what side? Remember, it's the right side of the black triangle. What's the right side of the red triangle? AB is equal to, this is hard. This is harder than I thought it would be. Side LM. Now the bottom of this is BC. So side BC is equal to side MN. I apologize for the terrible handwriting. Now, side AC, the left side of the triangle. AC is equal to LN. So our last part is AC is equal to LN. Very good. Now that's when you're comparing. Now we're not comparing. Now for the second part, there's nothing I can put it on, so we're just going to lose me for a little while. You have these two triangles, once again, same as up here. So they are still similar triangles. One's just bigger than the other. So here you have the little triangle now has measurements. The two sides are the same. They're 4 and 4, and the bottom is now 6. Sorry, I erased that. The bottom is now 6. There we go. Get rid of the gold. It's a goldfish box, by the way. Computer's propped up on a goldfish box. Big one. So both sides are 4 and 4, and this side is 6. So over here we have side X, side Z, and then the bottom is 10. So I need to come up with, let's say I'm going to solve for X. So my proportion, and what's a proportion? I don't know what's a proportion. Why don't we ask Mr. Nugent from yesterday? What's a proportion? Whoop. A proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equal. That's what a proportion is. Oh, there we go. Now we know. So I set up a proportion over here for what I'm trying to solve. So I'm trying to solve for X. So I put X on the top. You can put it on the bottom, doesn't matter. It just has to be consistent. So I'm putting the X on the top, and I'm putting the 10 on the bottom. Now, I used X over here, which is the left side. What's the left side of the little one? It's a 4. So if I put X on top, 4 has to go on top. And since 10 is on the bottom, what's on the bottom over here? 6. So 6 goes on the bottom over here. So with what we did yesterday, you have to make your baseball bat and your baseball. Okay? I did that backwards. Boom. Baseball bat and the baseball. Better. So 4 times 10 is 40. So we have 40. 40 is our baseball bat. Then we divide by the baseball, which was 6. 40 divided by 6. Let's ask, the smart one in the relationship here. 40 divided by 6 is 6 2/3. So X over here is 6 2/3, or 6 and 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So X is 6 2/3. Now, over here, the left and the right, over here, the left and the right are equal. They're both 4. So over here, if x is 6 2/3, z is also going to be 6 2/3. So there you go. There's your learning time for today. Like I said, tomorrow, please pay attention to my, pretty please, pay attention to my schedule because I will probably not open up comments because I just won't be here. I'll be there. I know there's a meeting. I have a Zoom meeting at 9. So those comments won't be open, and I doubt the lunch ones will be open either. So see you tomorrow, Stingrays.